Hello students, this video deals with structure and functions of lysosomes. Lysosomes are membrane-bound organelles which contains the hydrolytic enzymes and other cellular debris. The size of the lysosomes vary, with the largest ones measuring 1.2 micrometer. They are typically range from 0.1 micrometer to 0.6 micrometer. The lysosomes are predominantly found in eukaryotic animal cells and are responsible for breaking down cellular debris. In plants, the role of lysosomes are undertaken by the vacuoles. This is the picture of lysosome which is highlighted inside the cell. The lysosomes are first discovered by Christian René Marie Joseph and he won the Nobel Prize for this. He was an English-born Belgian cytologist and biochemist. He made the discoveries of two cell organelles, that is peroxisome and lysosome, for which he shared the Nobel Prize in Physiology of Medicine. Again, I have shown you the structure of lysosome. It is single membrane bound which encapsulates or encloses the different types of enzymes. Lysosomes are called scavengers of cell. They are the garbage man. They work like a garbage man and keep the cells clean for debris and unwanted metabolites. These originate from endosomes that bud off from the Golgi apparatus. The endosomes are packed with hydrolytic enzymes that make them lysosomes. Lysosomes are at much lower pH than the rest of the cell organelles. We call them as acidic cell organelles. So again, this is the picture of an animal cell where you can see the presence of the lysosome which is highlighted here, and these small globule like appearance inside the lysosomes. They are the enzymes. Then what are the function of these lysosomes? The principal function of lysosome is degradation of various biological metabolites, polymers and old cell organelles, and are invading pathogens. It contains a battery of different enzymes such as lipases which degrade lipids, proteases which degrade proteins, amylases which degrade carbohydrates and starch, nucleases which degrade nucleic acids. All these are used to degrade the host for different purposes. So this is that is the proteins and cell organelles which has to be recycled. They are presented to the lysosome. It becomes autophagosome and it is degraded. The next function of lysosome is phagocytosis. When lysosome fuses with the phagosome, resulting in a phagolysosome, this process brings the bacteria or invading pathogen in contact with degradative lysosomal enzymes in a single space and aids in killing of the pathogen. The metabolites released as a result are recycled and used by the cell itself. So this is the picture where the phagocyte or bacteria, when it enters the cell, it fuses with the lysosome to form phagosome, and this phagolysosome, it releases the contents after degradation and which are excreted or which are sent out of the cell by exocytosis. What is endocytosis is an important another function of a lysosome. The cell it has many receptors which help in cell-to-cell communication in the uptake of food. Even the antibodies are first seen as a membrane-bound receptors. These receptors are regularly recycled by bringing them inside the cell, called endocytosis. Degrading them and reusing these metabolites is also the function of lysosome. We call it as endocytosis. See here again the foreign component, that is it enters the cell and it is presented to the lysosome. It becomes a phagolysosome, and these phagolysosome are the cell organelles which has to be recycled are also taken out by the lysosomes to form autophagic lysosomes, and the components after degradation they are excreted by exocytosis. Okay, and also the phagocytosis and endocytosis, it is both are the functions of lysosomes. Autophagic function of lysosome helps indirectly in the process of called apoptosis. Apoptosis is nothing but a programmed cell death in which the cell becomes old and gets infected by certain kinds of pathogen and receives the signal for self-destruction. The contents of the lysosome then spill out into the cell and eat up the cell from inside. So here it is the old oat or the old or it has to be recycled. The part of the endoplasmic reticulum or mitochondria, it is taken up by the lysosomal enzymes to form autophagosome. Auto means self-destruction, okay, where it undergoes degradation to form metabolites. Again, they are recycled inside the cell. So it is called autolysosome. The function is called autophagy. Autophagy is a lysosomal degradation pathway for cytoplasmic material and organelles. In mammalian cells, macroautophagy is an important survival mechanism during short-term starvation by degrading non-essential components. Cells require nutrients for energy production and vital biosynthetic reactions. Autophagy contributes to the clearance of damaged organelles and aggregate prone protein, provides a protection against metabolite stress, growth regulation, and even to longevity. The defective autophagy has been connected to many human diseases including cancer, myopathies, and neurodegeneration, including Parkinson's disease, Alzheimer's disease, and Huntington's disease. So immunity in the body is the ability to fight the invention by disease-causing microorganism. The ability to aid apoptosis and kill phagocytosed pathogens make lysosomes important in conferring immunity to the organism. Okay, in summary, lysosomes are cell organelles almost exclusively found in eukaryotic animal cells, and these are the membrane-bound spherical sac filled with hydrolytic enzyme. The enzymes can break down many types of biomolecules such as proteins and fats. They are not found in plants, but vacuoles perform the function of lysosomes in plant cells. Lysosomes are known as suicidal bags as they tend to destroy the cell membrane with its digestive enzymes, causing lysis of the cell. Lysosomal enzymes are synthesized in a rough endoplasmic reticulum where they are brought in by the Golgi apparatus through tiny vesicles. It eventually merges with bigger acidic vesicles filled with hydrolytic enzymes. So mutation of the nuclear gene may result in the emergence of rare diverse human genetic elements which are called lysosomal storage disease or LSD. Okay, this is the overall summary of structure and functions of lysosomes. Thank you for watching. Thank you.